Republic of Congo, Vice Premier of China, Liu He, and foreign ministers of Spain, Saudi Arabia, Belgium, Finland, and the Netherlands. During these meetings, bilateral and global issues of mutual interest were discussed. The foreign minister has also interacted with corporate executives, heads of international organizations, and leading media and civil society personalities. A parliamentary delegation from Belgium, led by Senator Alicia Kleis, chairperson of Pakistan-Belgium Parliamentary Friendship Group, is currently on a visit to Pakistan from 16th to 21st of January 2023. The National Assembly of Pakistan is hosting the delegation. This is the first parliamentary delegation of Belgium to Pakistan. During the visit, the delegation will hold meetings with members of the National Assembly of Pakistan. It will travel to Lahore and Karachi and call on Governor Punjab and Chief Minister Sindh. The delegation will also visit flood-affected areas in the Sindh province. Federal Minister for Power and Engineer Khurram Dastagir Khan visited Belarus last week from 12th to 13th January 2023 for the 6th session of Pakistan-Belarus Joint Economic Commission, held in Minsk. The Belarusian site was led by Minister of Energy Viktor Mikhailovich Krankovich. The two sides reviewed the ongoing bilateral cooperation in trade, industry, agriculture, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, science and technology, education, and culture. It was agreed to further enhance bilateral cooperation in diverse sectors, including textiles, auto sector, agricultural equipment, and mining. The two sides signed memoranda of understanding on cooperation in tourism promotion and on cooperation between museums of Pakistan and Belarus. On 13th January, the Minister of Power held a meeting with Foreign Minister of Belarus, Sergei Alienik. Foreign Secretary of Pakistan, Dr. Asad Majid Khan, is currently in Brussels on an official visit. The visit is capstone to his tenure as ambassador to the European Union, Belgium, and Luxembourg. During the last few days, the Foreign Secretary has met with leaders and high-level officials of the European Union, Belgium, and Luxembourg to bid them farewell and discuss issues of bilateral significance. The Foreign Secretary has held meetings with Senator Alicia Kleis, chair of Pakistan-Belgium Parliamentary Friendship Group, President of the Flanders region of Belgium. He met with Secretary General Sanino of European External Action Service, Secretary General Gantes of Belgium, and Secretary General Auger at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Luxembourg. The Foreign Secretary has also held meetings with senior officials, Simon Mordew, Chief Foreign Policy Advisor to President of Diplomatic Advisor to the President of the European Union. The meetings of the 8th session of Pakistan-Russia Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic, Scientific and Technical Cooperation are underway in Islamabad since yesterday. From the Pakistan side, the IGC is co-chaired by the Minister for Economic Affairs, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq, while the Russian delegation is led by the Energy Minister Nikolai Shulginov. IGC is a comprehensive bilateral mechanism that provides a platform promoting substantive issues of mutual cooperation, including trade, investment, industry, railways, and energy. The IGC was last held in Russia in November 2021. The ongoing session of IGC will conclude on 20th January 2023. Pakistan and China have agreed to temporarily reopen the Gujarat border in 2 phases. In the first phase, the Gujarat border will open today for 2 days, 19th and 20th January, and again from end January 2023 to early February 2023 after the Chinese Spring Festival. The Khunjarat border between Pakistan and China remains closed annually during the winter months. The Chinese side has agreed to Pakistani request for temporary reopening of the border to facilitate local traders. We appreciate the special efforts of the border officials on both sides to ensure smooth border operations despite inclement weather conditions. During the last week, Indian oppression in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir continued unabated. The Indian forces continue to carry out cordon and search operations in different parts of Rajouri, Poonch and Raisi districts, harassing the local population. In a disturbing event, 2 Kashmiri youths were killed in a fake encounter in Budgam district after they were dislodged by the Indian troops from a vehicle and shot dead on spot. A 75-year-old under trial prisoner, Muhammad Maqbool Khan, died in custody after he was tortured in Kupwara jail. He and his 3 sons were detained in August last year on trumped-up charges. For the last 1 month, a family in Kunan village of Kupwara has been desperately looking for the whereabouts of their son and brother, Abdul Rashid Dar. A mini truck driver, Dar went missing on 15th December after he was whisked away by army soldiers from 41 Rashtriya Rifles unit. His mother, Khaira Begum, has demanded knowledge on Rashid's whereabouts or at least a proof of life. The case of Rashid Dar, though tragic, is not unique. Over the last 3 decades, hundreds have gone missing while in the custody of Indian security forces. According to credible counts, some 8,000 persons have gone missing in IIOJK since 1989. Pakistan will continue to raise its voice on the continuing grave human rights violations in IIOJK. It will also continue to extend unstinted moral, political and diplomatic support to the people of Jammu and Kashmir in their quest for self-determination in accordance with the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. I will conclude with an upcoming visit announcement. Minister for Foreign Affairs Bilawal Bhutto Zardari will undertake an official visit to Tashkent, Uzbekistan on 25th of January 2023 to attend the 26th meeting of the Council of Ministers of Economic Cooperation Organization. The theme of the event is Year of Strengthening Connectivity, an area of special interest and significance for Pakistan. The Minister for Foreign
Directives जारी हो रहे हैं, circular जारी हो रहे हैं